Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all my friends that join our discussion today. So the task that has been given to us is the Nature Society of our university is organizing a nature week. So as a members of the society, we need to discuss and decide the best activities for the week. So, shall we start?
Yes.
Alright. So how about you? How about you think about the activities?
What I think. So from my point of view, as we're gonna organize a nature week, we should all go head towards the national park as our chosen activity. Um, why should we organize a trip to the national park? Because to fully embrace the nature week, we should become one with nature. So how by going to the nature park, we will be able to feel nature with our two feet we can as we can see all the sceneries, the forest with species trees, and feel the ground.
Excuse me? So you mean you can release our stress and tension by
So that's an additional benefit.
May I interrupt? For me,
Uh,
I'm quite not agreeable with your idea because when we talk about a trip to national park, it needs to be planned for a long time, for a long time, and need more money for it. And from my opinion, I think we should organize a tree planting activity. Okay, as we know, the hot issue now is Amazon is burning. The earth lung, earth lung is burning right now. It's on fire. But I strongly suggest us to replanting the tree because so we can recover what the burning the cost the tree lost when the fire occurred in the Amazon. So I want to say that we can uh, do the tree planting activity in the same time we can we can do the tree planting activity.
increase the oxygen
Yes,
production
to we can increase the oxygen and
for
some
the
biological things. What do you think, bro?
I do believe if we love nature that we will enjoy the nature week. But I do think we should have a camping trip because when we have a camping trip to a forest, some of us will start to be a nature lover so that from the camp we can introduce forest to the students, especially for students who live in city, because we know that in the city they doesn't have forest right. So that when we introduce forest to them, this will give them experience to survive in the forest too. Besides, so that they can be more independent, they can live in forest. What do you think of it?
for my opinion, I believe that for the activities, that the best activities for organizing a nature week is they organize a recycling day. Why I said so? Because it can reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerators. This is was to save the earth and to teach the mentality of people to recycle what has been used. So you can use more less straw to save the turtle. Other than that, we can conserve natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals. So we can prevent pollution by reducing the need to collect the new raw materials. I guess agree or any?
Yes, I agree because I do believe if we can save the turtle so that we can prevent the extinction of some exotic animals. Like we all know that in Malaysia, rhinoceros is had extinct. so that if we can save many more exotic animal, we can make the nature better.
Yeah, maybe we can do rehabilitation activities, such as in Terengganu, we have a rehabilitation center where we can volunteer ourselves to do some volunteer activities. As example, we can release the uh, turtle from the sea, turtle to the sea from the rehabilitation center, so we can prevent it from extinct. What do you think about that?
So your point is what is your point?
Yes, I want to give add on some of my point to from his point. I want to give some example, and I want to add on some Yepo points. When we say about camping, we do some sweating suicide active activities. Based on the fact, when we do some active activity together or something training together, it can entitle our relationship with everyone. So I strongly support what you said.
I agree with your point. You want to add something? It's okay. What is your point?
My point is, so we all know all these activities has their benefits, but what do you guys think is the best activity here? So what I think is the best activity here is participating sport is organizing a recycling day. Why? Because I think organizing a recycling day is the most easiest, effective, and also cost effective. Everyone can participate because it will cost them a fee, and there is no need for very detailed organizing.
May I interrupt? So you said that by organize a recycling day, it will give a lot of fun, right? Because we can have a lot of fun by recycling. We can taught the children to learn how to recycle things like. So do you guys agree with my
Yes,
point?
I agree.
Yes, I agree.
Alright. So we already come to an consensus.
Maybe we should go for it.
So we already had agreement that we decide to organize a recycle day as the activity for the nature week. Thank you for joining our discussion. Thank you for lending your opinion and idea. Cut.